Today I want to talk about how you can start selling your farm produce online. Creating an online order form for selling veggies, fruits and other products may seem like it's difficult or takes time. But with this ready-made produce order form template, you can quickly put up all your products for selling online. With the built-in automatic calculations, your customers will know how much is the order total and the summary of your order before they can submit their orders to you. Let's get started. We're doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. Let's copy this template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template to add a new category of fresh produce and add or change the existing products. Step 3. Let's preview the final form and test by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Neotype's grocery website, click on Create Order Form. From the template gallery, choose this Produce Order Form template here. This order form template has a few sample categories such as vegetables, fruits, herbs, dairy products, and meat. This will help your customers go through all available products at once and choose what they want to order. To make a copy, click on Use this template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your farm name. For example, I change it to Fresh Basketi Farm Store. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. Alright, it is copied now, and this is your own order form. This form is in edit mode already. Do you see the little gear icons all over? You can click on these gear icons to make changes to the form. Now, let's move on to step 2. Let's start customizing this form. First, let's begin by adding a new category and a new product under that category. To add a category, say after the herbs, click on the Add Page button below the herb section. On the sidebar, type in Homemade Breads as the title. Then click on Save. You need to at least add one product to the category that you newly added. Now, click on Add Product button here. On the sidebar, type the name of the product as the title. For example, I say banana walnut bread. You may be selling them in packets. So for this option sold by, click on Quantity and then click on Next. Here for the option, do you have different sizes of this product? You may choose No if you don't have varying sizes. Now banana walnut bread is added to the list. And here you can upload the image of the product and its price. This new product has been successfully added to the listing. You can now add any number of categories and products that you have for this week's sale. Now I'll show you how you can change the existing products or delete some of them. For example, in the herbs section, let's see how to change the name and price of cilantro. Click on the gear icon next to the name of the product. Change the name to coriander. Change the price to say €1 per bunch. Click on Save. Now the name and price of the product is changed. Now that you know how to add or change items, you can also delete the items by clicking on the trash bin icon under each of the listings here. Okay, now let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet and mobile as well. Here, you can change the theme, color and appearance of the form. Now, it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form in a new window. Here is the final form. This is how your customers will be seeing it. And now, I'm going to fill this online produce order form just like your customers do. I choose to order a few vegetables, say carrots and green chilies. I click on Next and I have all the fruits that's available at your store today. I choose some mangoes and a watermelon. I click on Next and I move on to choosing some herbs. And I slowly move to each category by the other, choosing the products that I want. While I'm doing this, I'm filling my cart here. And I move on and on. By doing so, I don't miss out on any of the products that I might need for my home this week. Also, I'm only shown what is available at your farm shop currently, and I can precisely choose only the things that I want. I click on next, and now I'll go ahead and write my contact details and address for delivery. I can see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for me to know what and for how much I've ordered. Now I click on place order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the orders tab here to see the list of orders that you've received. Now you can share this online produce order form with your customers, restaurants and local shops. Click on share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me on making your order form. Start accepting orders online for your farm shop today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartile.com. We are happy to help. See you there.